Today we will be going over adding multiple digit numbers. To help the lesson make more sense, I have color-coded everything. Let's first go over our place values. In black, all the way to the right, we have the ones place. In red, the tens place. Next to that, in green, the hundreds place. In blue, the thousands place. And lastly, in purple, the 10,000s place. Up above are the numbers that we're going to be adding today. 35,814 plus 24,070. And here's a special rule that I want you to keep in mind. The most groups you can fit in each place is 9. If you get more than 9 groups in one place, we're going to have to regroup. And for today, we're not going to have to regroup. This is just something I want you to keep in mind because eventually you will be working on regrouping, adding multiple digit numbers. Alrighty, let's start off super easy with the ones place. So I'm going to take a look at this number first. How many do we have in the ones place? Right here in black. That would be 4. So I'm going to use lines to represent the amount of groups. So right here we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Once again, we're taking a look at this number, so ignore this number for right now. Alrighty, moving on to the tens place. I'm going to switch my marker to red. How many groups do I have right there? That would be 1. So I'm just going to draw one little line. Moving on to our hundreds place, we have 8. So I'm going to draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then over here in the thousands, we have 5 groups of thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in the tens thousands place, we have 3. So I'm going to put 3 right over here. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So we've taken, we're done with this number, right? We've represented it up here. Now we're going to take this number and put our groups in line version over here. Okay, starting once again with the ones place. So I have 0. So I'm going to write, you can either write nothing or you can do a 0, whatever you want. For me, I'm going to write nothing right there because it's 0. That means I have 0 groups of ones. Okay, over here for the tens, I have 7. So I'm going to draw 7 groups of tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then over here, oh, we have another 0, so I don't have to write anything over here in this space. Moving on to the thousands place, we have 4 groups of thousands. So here's 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups, 4 groups. And then lastly, for the 10,000s, we have 2. So 1 group of 10,000, 2 groups of 10,000s. Alrighty, it looks like we are all done representing our numbers on this place value chart, which means we can add it all together. So, how many ones do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. How many tens do we have? Or we're going to have to count up all these lines right here because they're representing our groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to count our hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And lastly, our thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, and then our 10,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. So our answer is 59,884. Here is your practice problem. A football stadium has 41,275 seats. They build 38,004 more seats. How many total seats does the stadium have? Be sure to show your work. Notice how I color-coded the number of seats to help you guys out with this math problem. When you show your work, be sure to use the place value chart down below.